Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 24th of March 2020, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So first of all, what do you need to know about silver right now? It is currently trading at $14 per ounce. Silver this week so far in just 2 days is up over 13%. The gold to silver ratio last week broke out to all-time highs, started to break down on Thursday through to Friday after hitting 125 to 1. It's currently trading at 114 to 1 at the moment, and we are seeing now silver prices springboard significantly higher, catching up, of course, to the breakout on gold. You have to remember, silver last week broke down to 11-year lows. Platinum broke down to 18-year lows. Silver actually only broke down to 3-month lows. We've certainly capitalized on that breakout in the latest week, as we've discussed on Gold Asset of the Day. We're managing a position since Friday, which is up over 1,000 points at the moment. Silver at these levels at $14 per ounce, I would watch very carefully. The FOMC statement on Monday, with essentially the unlimited quantitative easing we see coming into the market now, is having a significant impact across the commodities markets right now. Gold, of course, had the biggest one-day move in history yesterday, and we've also now seen silver up 13% this week. So I hope some of you have been able to capitalize on those moves. Support on Friday for silver came in at $11.50 per ounce. You have to remember as well, silver, just going back to over a month ago, was trading at $18.90 per ounce. It's since broken all the way down to $11.50. Now we're back at $14. The risk reward is still very much skewed to the upside right now. What I would look at the moment, of course, you want to be able to trade the volatility in both directions at the moment. Silver can sell off very fast. It can also break out very fast. We have seen an exhausted move to the downside last week. The ratio started to break down. The US dollar index has been selling off as well. VIX volatility has broken down today as well. This is propelling gold, silver, platinum significantly higher. If we can continue to maintain momentum above $14 per ounce here, of course, I'm looking at the next magnetic levels, $14.50, $15, and then really a break back towards potentially the swing highs if silver is going to follow what gold is doing right now, priced in a number of different currencies, which is breaking back towards the swing highs. Now, we don't want to get too bullish here on the metals. They are doing well. They're catching a bid. We have seen the 13% move already with silver. We've already taken really early entries in the precious metals such as platinum and gold in the latest week as well. At these levels right now, at $14 per ounce of silver, we've actually been back in filling between $13.50 up to $14. I want to see whether silver will maintain now above this level. What's been very interesting is that for those out there who've been trying to buy physical silver, it's impossible to get spot price. So you're not able to get spot price. There's a huge premium over that, over the paper market price right now compared to the physical. And we're starting to see that come through with the breakout that we've seen on silver over the last 24 hours, that 13% move to the upside so far. So what should you be looking at right now if you're thinking about entering a position with silver at the moment? Bear in mind, it's already up 13% so far this week. It's been quite a big move. Essentially, at the moment, I would look at pullbacks as buy opportunities unless we suddenly start seeing the dollar index ramp up significantly to the upside. If the gold-silver ratio starts to go back higher again, gold and platinum, if they pull back, then you're likely to see a pullback on silver as well. You want to just bear that in mind. There's been some better entries on silver over the last few days at $12, $12.50, $13. That said, you can look at pullbacks as long as they get well supported as opportunities to buy. And also, if we break above $14, continue to push higher, I would be looking at $14.50, $15 per ounce effectively next. The real trick right now is to be very nimble in the markets. Also, make sure that you're protecting your positions and that you're making sure that you're banking some profits as well, but whilst also keeping some of your positions running to capitalize on these extraordinary times right now. The volatility day to day is like nothing we've ever seen. It is absolutely perfect for day trading. If you've got more time on your hands at the moment to study, to educate yourself, to learn a research-driven approach, there's really never been a better time to trade, learn about the financial markets. Many of you will recall going back to 2008 financial crisis. After we got through that, the precious metals went on to break out to all-time highs. And we're seeing similar moves right now. Such a fast move with gold over the last 24 hours, being able to break out, have the biggest one-day move in history, silver up 13%. And we're already seeing platinum break out as well, up over 5% today. So absolutely, you want to keep your eye on the precious metals at the moment. So with that, that's been Silver Asset of the Day. And of course, I wish you good trading.